No, I'm not satisfied with this confirmation. If price fall and retest this zone, I will take the reversal trade, but you can see that price already reversed, so it will fall completely and will hit these stop losses, and then it will instantly reverse the rejection, which is a good sign. Hello traders, welcome back. This is day 42 of my 50 days trading challenge. I started with just $100 on day 1 and the goal was very simple. Grow my $100 as much as possible. On day 41, my account was at $25,102. Let's see where we can reach today. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Right now I am analyzing Euro-CAD chart and I have a clear trading opportunity here. You can see that price recently formed this support zone which can be used for a reversal trade. So let's first mark this zone. This is the support zone that I will use for my reversal trade. If price fall and retest this zone, I will take the reversal trade. If price goes up and gave a breakout here, then I will apply the liquidity strategy in which I will wait for the price to break this resistance and then fall back to retest the same zone in which I will take a reversal trade. Let's wait. Right now the price is moving in the downward direction and hopefully in the future it will retest this zone. If not, then I will use this zone, this resistance zone that will become a support for my reversal trade. Let's wait now. Price finally approaching the support zone and I'm going to use it for the reversal trade. I'm waiting for the retest here. We can also let's wait now for the retest. I have high expectation that price will reverse from this zone. Because of this steep fall, I'm expecting a reversal in the upside direction. I need a retest. Once price reaches this zone, I will take an instant reversal trade. Let's open the 5-second chart because the price is very near. Okay, price at the support. I need strong candlestick confirmation. I can see rejection, which is a good sign. And yes, we have solid reversal confirmation in the upside direction. A bullish reversal pattern formation took place as soon as price hit the support zone. Let's understand the logic. So it's a simple trading strategy. You can see if you focus here, this is a ranging price action. If you just focus on this price action, so according to the strategy in a ranging market, if price is hitting the range, in this case this is the support range and you can also say that this is the resistance range. So in this case, the price hit the support range, and according to the strategy, if price hit the support range in a ranging market and on 5-second chart, if you have bullish confirmation, which is clearly here, you can place the trade. So I did the same. Price in a ranging market hit the support range and on 5-second chart, it instantly form a reversal pattern, which is a confirmation that price will go in the upside direction, and that's why I placed the trade and we booked profit on the first trade of today's session. Let's find other trading setup because according to me, I will not use this resistance range now and this support is of no use to me right now. So let's wait now and let's find other trading setup. Right now I am analyzing Euro US dollar chart and I have a clear trading opportunity. You can see that price recently reverses from the support zone, which could be used for a reversal trade, but you can see that price already reversed. So let's target a reversal trade from this recently formed support. I will wait for the 1-minute candle to go down and close without breaking this zone, then only I will take a reversal trade. If price goes up, then I will use this resistance zone and will place an instant reversal trade. This is a ranging price action, but I will wait for the 1 minute candle to close on this zone, this support zone, because the trend is downtrend. In this case, in this resistance case, I will take an instant reversal trade if price hit this zone and form reversal pattern. Let's wait now for the price to either retest this support or this resistance, and then I will take my trade. On Euro US dollar chart, I was waiting for the price to either hit this resistance or hit this support so that I can take a reversal trade. But you can see that price is moving in this uptrend, and it recently created this support zone, which I want to use for a reversal trade. So let's wait for the price to fall and hit this zone, because chances of price reversing after hitting this zone are very high. If price reach this zone, retest it and form a instant reversal confirmation on 5-second chart, I will take the trade, will not wait for the 1 minute candle to close. The reason why I am expecting a reversal here is very simple. This particular candle created positive impact on the price, that price will go up. So most of the buyers have placed their buy orders and their stop losses will lie here in the middle, but I am targeting the bottom here, because if price wants to grab all the liquidity, it will fall completely and will hit these stop losses, and then it will instantly reverse in the upside direction. So that's why I'm targeting this zone. I'm not going to use the middle part here for a reversal trade, although price can reverse from this zone. But if I want to take a shield trade, I will use this bottom for my reversal. Let's wait now for the price to retest this zone. Once price reach this zone, I will take the instant reversal trade with 5-second confirmation. Price approaching the support zone. Let's open the 5-second chart. The price is moving according to our analysis, and this is the zone where I am targeting a reversal trade instantly. Price at the zone. Now I need strong bullish confirmation. I need another green candle because we already have a candle. Yes, that is the confirmation. And I have placed the second trade of today's session in the upside direction. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So as I told you before, that this zone is a liquidity zone, and I'm targeting a reversal trade from this zone because this particular big green candle created a positive impact, suggesting that price will go up. Now, most of the traders will place a buy orders and their target will be this resistance, and their stop losses will lie in the middle. But I was targeting a reversal trade from this zone because if price wants to grab everyone, then it will fall completely, will hit the bottom here, because those who are buying with this candle, they will most likely place their stop losses here, and some traders who wants to take bigger risk will place stop losses at this bottom. So the price will reverse, hit the zone, and then it will reverse, and you can see same thing happened. The price hit the bottom and instantly reversed. This was just to trap everyone, and now the price will start moving in the upside direction. And that's why the market moves in such a way that it run and then it retraces back, because it wants to trap every retail traders. And this was a clear example of trap trading. So we have taken the trade and we booked profit on our second trade. Let's target the next trade. If price reach this zone, I will take a reversal trade. If price does not give confirmation, then I will try to find other trading setup. Let's wait now for a clear trading setup so that we can make profit on that also. Price approaching the resistance zone and I'm expecting a reversal. I will take an instant reversal trade as we planned before. If I have strong bearish reversal pattern, if I don't have confirmation, I will not place any trade. You can see price is showing rejection but no solid reversal pattern. Previously, price reverses from the same zone. I am expecting similar trade setup, but I will only place my trade if I have good selling confirmation. I'm ready to place my trade, and no, I'm not satisfied with this confirmation. I will wait for another confirmation. This is a range, a resistance range, so chances of reversal are high. price showing breakout character, and yes, it formed a strong bearish reversal pattern and I instantly placed the trade. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So it's a simple trade setup. Price hit the resistance range. Now after hitting this resistance range, as I'm targeting an instant reversal trade here, let me remove this one. As I'm targeting an instant reversal trade from this zone, all I need is a strong bearish reversal pattern formation on 5-second chart. This is the resistance range, so I did not wait it for the 1 minute candle to close, although the 1 minute candle closes inside the zone. On 5-second chart, we have a clear reversal pattern. This is a strong selling confirmation, so I placed my trade. Although we are running in loss, last 5 seconds are remaining and looks like that we are going to lose this trade, and we have lost this trade. Let's target another trade because the strategy failed here. Sometimes the price gave false signals also. Let's target another trade, and once I find the opportunity, I will explain you the setup in detail. Right now I am analyzing British pound odd chart and I have trading opportunities here. Let's target reversal trade from key levels. Let's start from the bottom. This is the support zone that I will use for the reversal trade, and price is also going in the upside direction. Let's target reversal trade from this zone also because price, okay, chances of reversal are really high because the 1 minute candle closes just at the bottom, and yes, we have a confirmation here, and I place the trade instantly in the downward direction. Let me explain you the trade setup. So the reason for placing this trade is simple. This is a clearly visible resistance which was previously working as a support. Now I was focusing on this support zone because this is a clearly visible support zone, but on 1 minute chart you can see the candle closing after the retest it is inside the zone. So I'm applying the same strategy in which we wait for the 1 minute candle to close. The 1 minute candle closes below the resistance without giving any breakout. If there is no breakout, we can expect reversal. So I instantly open the 5-second chart, and on 5-second chart, price hit the resistance, formed this candle, and then we have the strong candlestick confirmation in the downward direction, forming a very solid reversal pattern on 5-second chart. Look at these 4-5 candles. They clearly show that sellers are active here, and because we only needed a selling confirmation, as price failed to break this resistance, I instantly placed the trade and we booked profit. My focus was to use this support zone because this is clearly visible, and I was not expecting that price will top without breaking this zone, but the price failed to break the zone and it closes below. So it was a good trading setup and I took the trade according to the strategy. So today I've taken 4 trades. The 3 trades are in our favor. One was our loss in which we failed to make profit, because sometimes the price will move according to its will without following any price action, any strategy. So that is it for today. I hope you learned the concept behind these trading setup. Yesterday I did not take any trade because there was no proper setup. Day before yesterday I made 3 losses, so that was also a loss. In this week, on Monday I did not place any trades. On Tuesday I made loss. On Wednesday I did not trade, and on Thursday, which is today, I made profit. So overall this week is a break-even week, and tomorrow is the last day of this week, and maybe we will close in profit if the market favors our strategy. But till now this week is not profitable, and I will try to make this week profitable tomorrow. If I did not find the proper trading setup, then I will not conduct session because my motto is to make profit. I'm ending this session here. We'll see you tomorrow with new trades, new opportunities. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.